Hello and welcome back to Craftiviti channel, and for today's video we will be showing you the yellow craft box. Yellow craft box is our craft to go in one box that includes all the complete instructions along with the required materials for crafting. Learn to make beaded candles with the yellow craft box here. Crafting is not as complicated as it sounds, as our yellow craft box are suitable for kids, fun and suitable for family and friends, and they are able to scan for video demos. With this yellow craft box, you are able to make 8 beautiful unique candles all in one kit. Made from 100% vegetable wax, this candle kit is a great activity for quiet nights at home with family and friends as therapeutic crafts. These candles can be used immediately and burn for 6 hours. Here's a video demonstration on how you can create your own beaded candles using all the materials from the yellow craft box.